Hello and welcome to the channel. If you want to see how I created this thank you slide in Microsoft PowerPoint, please sit back and watch me do it. Let me go back. I will have to go create a blank slide here by going for the home button, and then I will go for new slide and scroll down to blank. Okay, have a look at the interface here where my mouse is pointing at. I want to increase that to 60, or maybe let me leave it at 50%. Okay, what I will do here, if you don't see this interface where we have shapes, what you can do is to go for the insert button, click on that insert button, and then go for shapes. Here, go click on the rectangle, click back on the slide, hold it, and then drag it to cover the whole slide. Okay, so right here, while this rectangle is still selected, go for the shape outline, click on the drop down and go for no outline, then go for shape fill, click on that drop down, and then navigate and go select any color of your choice. I will go for this. I will go for this one. I will click on it. We are good to go. So if you don't see this text box, the text box here, you can go back to insert. Then come here, you will see text box. Click on it, click back on the slide and draw that box. You have to draw it, and then let's type thank you. I will click on the line, and then I will go for the font. Let me go select a font. Then I will click on the B to bolding it. Then I will go for the capital A to increase the font size. But before then, let me go for the character spacing. I will click on that drop down and go for very loose. And then let me go back to the capital A to increase the font. I will click here to stretch. I will go for another increase. I will stretch it. I think we are good to go. While this is still selected, what I will do is to go for the shape format. Then I will navigate to align. I will go for align center. Go back to align and go for align middle. Okay, I can equally go back to home and go select this center, and we're good to go. Okay, the next thing to do here is to click on this rectangle, and then on your keyboard go hold down the shift key. This is the shift key below the caps. Hold down the shift key and click on the text to select it. You can see that both of them now are selected. You release your finger from the shift key and then go back to shape format. Navigate to merge shapes. Click on that drop down and go select subtract. We are good to go. Let me decrease this to 40 so that I can do one or two things here. I will decrease it to 40. Then let's go back. I will have to import an image by going to the insert, then navigate to pictures, and then this device, just go wherever you have it saved on your computer. I will go for this image, insert. Here we go. So right now I will click on this image and take it outside the slide. Outside the slide. Okay, I will click on it, right click on it, and navigate to send to back, and then to send backward. So what you have to do here, to check if this can move under the text, you click on that image and move it back to the slide, you can see that is under the text. So we are good to go. Perfect. If that didn't work for you, you have to right click again, then go for send to back width, and then go for send to backward. So in our own case, it's working fine. What I will do here is to animate. I will click on it, go for animations, then navigate to add animation. I will go down to motion parts and select lines, and then go for effect options, click on that and go select left. Okay, so right now you see this red arrow here, the arrowhead. Click on it, and then release your finger. When this arrow comes up, click and hold your mouse and take that to wherever you want it to stop, or however you want it to look. You can take it this way, take it this way. Just, I want it to stop somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here. I will release my finger and let's play it. But before we play it, I will click on that picture 5 under animation pen, then go for start and select with previous. Okay, I will click outside and play it. Here we go. So there is one more thing we can do here right now. I will go back to insert, then go for shapes. I will take this rectangle, click back on the slide and draw that. Then while this is still selected, I will have to go for shape outline, click on the drop down and go select no outline. I will go back to shape fill and go give it a color. Let me decrease. Okay, so what we can do here is to animate this. I will click on it and take it outside the slide, maybe somewhere here. Then what I can do is to apply the same animation, but I don't want to do that. I will just go straight to, if I want to do that, what I will do is to click on the image, then go to animations, then click on animation painter, and then click on this line. That will have the same animation, but I don't want to do that. I will click on this line and then go for the animations, then add animation, scroll down to motion parts, select lines, and then go for effect options and then left. Okay, we are good to go. So what we have to do here, you see the arrow here, I will have to click on it. And when this arrow, and release my finger, when this arrow comes, I will click and hold it and take it to wherever I want it to stop. Here is good. Then remember, we have to go select the rectangle, okay, and go for the start. We select with previous. So now let's play it. We're good to go. I need to add an audio to this. So what I will do is to go for insert, then navigate to audio on my PC. I will go for the line audio, click insert. Then once inserted, just go straight to the hide during show and shake that. Then I will click on this and take it somewhere. Let it be here. Okay, so right now I will click on that audio that I just imported and then go for animations and go for start with previous. Okay, now let's play it. That is it. Very simple, easy. So that was how I created the previous one you saw. Okay, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. But please do not forget to like the video.